Welcome to NextCrew. NextCrew is the app your employer uses to manage your jobs, schedules, timesheets, availability, and communication, all in one place. This video will show you how to use the app day to day, from updating your profile and finding jobs to confirming shifts, clocking in and out, and managing timesheets. We'll also show you why keeping your information updated matters, because the more accurate your profile and availability are, the easier it becomes to get matched with the right jobs and stay updated. Keep in mind, depending on your employer, some features in the app may look a little different or may not apply to you. That's completely normal. Now let's get into it. Let's start with your profile. This is where you can manage and update your personal information inside the app. Need to change your username or password? Open Account Information, make your changes, and tap Update. Want to add or update your phone number or email? Open Contact Information, enter your details, and save your changes. You can also update your address anytime inside the Address section. Keeping your address updated is important because job opportunities are often matched based on your location. So accurate information helps you get better job matches closer to you. Managing licenses and certifications is just as easy. Open Licenses or Certifications, tap the plus icon, enter your details, and attach documents directly from your phone using your camera, gallery, or files. You can also manage your skills directly from your profile settings. The more complete and accurate your profile is, the easier it becomes for coordinators to match you with the right assignments. Now let's talk about availability. Inside Calendar, you can mark yourself available or unavailable for specific dates and times. And if your schedule repeats every week, you can set recurring availability too. The best part is, everything stays easy to track in one place. Confirmed jobs, interested jobs, requested jobs, and unavailable dates all appear directly inside your calendar, so you always know what's coming up next. And when schedules or assignment details change, NextCrew automatically sends notifications and reminders to help keep you updated. You'll also receive reminders before upcoming assignments, typically around 24 hours before your shift. Now let's move into jobs. Inside Open Jobs, you can search assignments by date, pay, distance, or keywords. When you find something you like, just tap Interested. That job automatically moves into your Interested tab, so it's easy to find later. But remember, showing interest doesn't automatically confirm the assignment. Once your coordinator confirms you, the job moves into your Confirm tab automatically. From there, you can view assignment details, get driving directions, reconfirm your shift, add the assignment to your personal calendar, message your scheduler, or even request schedule changes if needed. And if plans change, you can decline the assignment and notify your scheduler directly inside the app. Communication stays simple too. Open Messages to contact your coordinator directly from NextCrew. You can send messages, reply to conversations, and even attach files when needed. So instead of scattered texts and missed updates, everything stays organized in one place. And once it's time to start your shift, use the Clock In/Out button directly from the home screen. Open your assignment, clock in when you arrive, and depending on company settings, you may also be asked to take a quick photo during clock-in for verification. Once your shift is complete, clock out in just a few taps. After your shift, head over to Timesheets. Here, you can review your hours worked, breaks, pay information, and assignment details all in one place. Need to upload a receipt, parking pass, or reimbursement document? You can attach it directly to the timesheet in just a few taps. That way, everything stays connected to the correct assignment for easier tracking later. And throughout the app, NextCrew helps keep everything organized with schedules, reminders, messages, notifications, and real-time updates. The app also supports multiple languages, making it easier for different teams and workers to navigate the app more comfortably in their preferred language. So whether you're updating your profile, checking assignments, messaging your coordinator, or managing your shifts, everything stays simple, clear, and easy to manage.